Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, special welcome to you. Today I'm going to be packing for vacation. So I'm going to be packing my makeup bag. So I'm going to show you guys all the makeup that I'm putting in my makeup bag and then all the palettes that I'll be taking with me on vacation. So if you're into that, please join. If not, that's okay too. Hopefully I'll see you next time, and let's get into it. First up, I have my Peanuts Profusion mirror that like goes like this, so you can lean it and do your makeup, or you can just hold it like this. That's what I do. Okay. I have my Huda Beauty Peach Pie Easy Bake. It's like my favorite setting powder, literally. Love it. Can't live without it. I'm taking my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. This has quite a dip in it, and I just want to use it some more. This is in no kind of order if you didn't notice. I just have everything like thrown in a pile. So this is the Essence Lash Princess. This is my favorite mascara, period. I love this stuff. It's great. It really is. Okay, let's see. I got the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation, and I have like half of it left, and I'm taking that with me. I have my LYS bronzer also, which has quite a dip in it too. When it comes to bronzers, that's like my thing. Here is a Huda Beauty matte lipstick. So I have that. Let's see, let me grab a couple things from the bottom of the pile. I have my Jackie and Lauren glitter glue. This is the best glitter glue in the world. I have only found it a couple times, but I love it. I'm taking a white color corrector to put underneath anything I want to be very pigmented. It works really good. I have an LA Girl glitter in pink and purple. I just thought I would take it for the heck of it. I'm taking a lot of pink stuff, so I figured pink would probably be the best color to take. The next thing I have is the Camo Liquid Blush from e.l.f. in the color what? Can I read it? No. It's this one. It's like a mix between like a pink and an orange. It's like coral. So that's the best way I can describe it. Okay, let's see what comes up now. I got a bunch of stuff. Okay, I have the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear. I have a Charmacy Color Stream Multi-Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow. My eyebrow brush. My eyebrow clear gel by Kulfi. My Kiss clear lash strip lash adhesive. That's what I meant to say. I have a little sample of a Hoola bronzer. It is so freaking cute. It looks like an eyeshadow, but it's a bronzer. I just figured I'd take it and use it, because why not? Go back in your home, please. Okay, next up, One Size Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. Love this stuff. I just don't like to use it too often because it's not necessary at this point. But I'm going to Florida, so it will be hot and very sticky and very humid and very hot, so I'll need this. I really like that though. Okay, I have my CoverGirl Clean Invisible Foundation in Porcelain to lighten up some of the other colors that I'm taking. I have a brush for my bronzer and blush that are liquid. I have my Goof Proof Brow Powder. I have a Michaela and Glamlight gloss. I thought that was from Manny MUA, but I guess not. I'm taking the eye primer from Anastasia just in case. I'm taking an Ensley Rain Delirious Unicorn Pigment. I have my favorite stick bronze or stick blush. It's Baby Got Blush by Essence. Is there a color for this? Tickle Me Pink is the color of this. I love it. I got the Space Age Prophecy bronzer highlighter from Kaleidos. It's my favorite in the world. And I just got it not too long ago, and I made myself stop using it. And there's a dip in it already. It's killing me. I have the Tower 28. Is this called anything special? Mini Waves Mascara in Jet. I have another glitter that is purple and gold. I have another pigment that is purple and green. All you can see is the green, but it turns purple. It's a really pretty color. Let's see what else we got. Okay. I have my blush from Odin's Eye. This is Rosette or Rosette Love. It's M101. It's one of the like shiny ones. I have it on right now, actually. I have my Pat McGrath eye primer. My Milk Hydro Grip primer for my face. I have my Lash Grip, what does it say? It's just lash adhesive. That's all. Nothing special. Okay. Let's see. Let me just grab everything. Okay. I have a Melted Liquid Multi-Chrome from Ensley Rain. It's really, really pretty. And if you guys hate Ensley Rain, don't come at me. I'm just using the stuff that I use. That's all. I have a little tiny Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb to go. And then, what is this? I have another Jackie and Lauren eye primer. This is for glitter. And the other one is almost empty. So, I got a full one. Then I have a Tarte Sea Glass eyeshadow that I want to take with me. I have this Dose of Colors eyeshadow that is like mint. It's really shiny. And then that's a pigment. And then there is this color inside. It's like this darker mint, almost blue color. It's really a neat system, but I think it's kind of old. That's all right. Like, I won't use the cream on my eyes if it's questionable, but okay. This is the Strawberry Glow Recipe face primer. It's niacinamide face primer. Okay, let me put that in there. I have a beauty sponge that's dirty. I have my tweezers for my lashes. I have my Rare Beauty bronzer in Bright Side. And then last but not least, I have my silicone brushes that I can't live without. So let me stick all this stuff in a bag. It doesn't have to go in here pretty, so it won't take long. But I'll show you guys the palettes that I'm taking with me and all that fun stuff. Yeah, that was a lot. I overdo it way too much when it comes to makeup. So, yeah, I know I overdo it, and I do it anyway. So that's everything that was in my bag. Now, I'm taking the Kara Beauty Summer Breeze, or Summer Daze, D-A-Z-E. This is what the palette looks like. It is gorgeous. I love this palette. It is so fun and so bright and so playful. And like, I got this at TJ Maxx or Marshall's for like $4 or $5, and it's too cute. Like, it's adorable. I love the little thing. I'm taking my, you know what, no, I'm not. I used it today, that's why it's out, but I'm not gonna take it out. I'm taking my Juicy Cheeks palette from Blend Bunny. I don't want to open all these up, so I'm just going to tell you guys what palettes I'm taking. I have the Glamour-Natrix Cosmetics Exquisite Eyes. The Bella Beauté Bar Morally Grey palette. I like that a lot. This is my favorite Adept Cosmetics palette. This is the Cyborg Choir. This is going with me for sure. Like I said, don't come at me. I'm taking the Strawberry Moon. It's a little big, but it'll work. I have the Cosmic Beauty Delicious Delights palette. The Blend Bunny Sickly Sweet palette, the pastel one. The Ensley Rain Cosmic Dreamer palette. Let me pick up whatever's left and put these over here. Okay. Next up, I have the Wicked Widow, the Crow palette. This is dark and like grr. So need one of them just in case I want to do a smoky eye or something like that. This is my Crystal Garden palette, or Celestial Garden palette, but this is not what it is. Somebody took the pans out of this and redid it. And I bought it off of Mercari. I absolutely love this palette. Love, love, love it. It is amazing. They used like all Bella Beauté bar shadows except for like a couple. There's like Glamour-Natrix one in here. There's like some other ones. I don't know. It's just, it's beautiful and it's wonderful. I love it. And then I'm taking the Adept Cosmetics Legend of Ardra. I said it wrong. That's okay though. And then I'm taking a thing of my favorite singles. So, gotta have that. So, that is my, let me see this. I'm just gonna open this and show you guys, like, this is all my eye pencils that I'm taking with me. There's a lot in here. There's probably 20, maybe 25. So I'm not going to go through them all. There's just too many. And, you know, they're eye pencils. So they're cool, but it's eye pencils. They're colored and they look the same. Whatever. But I have a whole bag of lip products, but I'm not going to sit here and show you guys lip product after lip product after lip product after lip product. And then, do I have anything else? I have a bag of perfume. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll tell you guys what I'm using. Other than that, I'm going to get going. I love you all and appreciate each and every one of you so much. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, would you please do so? Please, 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 please. I would really love it. Like, really love it. Anyway, I'm going to get going. I love you guys so much. Wherever you are, whatever time of day it is, I hope you're having a great one. And I will talk to you all very, very soon. All right. Bye, guys.